Alright, we got VS70 coming into the station. With VIA engine 917. With 7 coaches. All on this Friday, August 30th, 2024. Denton, the London Rail fan on YouTube. I'll be rail fanning today, so let's see if we get any more trains on the Strathroy sub today. Roll it. Alright, we got VS71 departing London Station. With VIA engine 905. With 4 coaches. There it goes, off to Windsor. Alright, we got CN Q122 coming down the line. With 8021. And 2339. This is Q122. The 122 originates from the Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. The Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois heads west, heads east to the Tasher Yard in Montreal, Quebec, where it terminates. there's the end of Q122. Off it goes to Montreal. Alright, we got CN 276 coming down the line with 5644 and 8811. Symbol on this train is CN E276. 276 originates from Homewood, Illinois at the Markham Yard, heads east to Montreal, Quebec at the Tasha Yard where it terminates. And there's the end of CN E276. Off it goes to Montreal. Alright, we got CN eastbound coming down the line with CN 3239 and 3008, yeah! Illinois Central Heritage Unit, alright! This is my third time seeing it. Symbol on this train is CN A424. The 424 originates from Sarnia. It starts out as A484. It starts out as A484. It starts out as A484, which goes from Flat Rock, Michigan to Sarnia. When it gets into Canada, after it departs Sarnia, it turns into A424. It turns into A424 and heads east to the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, where it terminates. That's why I came out today, because I spotted A484 on the Trenton, Michigan rail cam with the 3008 Illinois Central Heritage Unit trailing. It went through there at 7:44. It went through there at 7:44 p.m. So this train took 17 hours to get here. This train definitely had to do work in Sarnia. And there's the end of 424 over there. Off it goes to Toronto. Well, this is gonna be it for today, folks. I'm gonna head home and eat lunch. So, bye for now and see you in the next video. This is Denton, a London Rail fan, signing off.